You ready? Hey, yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy, Bobby Sneaker World, and...
Josiah.
Not making no sense. And like I told y'all in my last video, I ordered Josiah a surprise. It came way faster than I expected. We got it right here on deck. So, what we're going to do is unbox this on the channel. You excited?
Definitely.
So he doesn't know what it is. But before we go any further in this video, before y'all see what's in this package with us, hit that subscribe button. If it's your first time to the channel, please hit that big red button down in the corner. Hit the notification bell and join our squad. Alright, we'll be right back.
We got the box ready. The box is ready. We're going to cut the box open.
Let's crack into it. Now, unfortunately, they do not come in their original box. These are new, but they do not come in their original box. That's a hint to him to let them know what they are. But let's see what we got. Let's see his reaction. Be careful.
Not working.
Need some help?
No.
There we go. All right, that's good enough. That's good enough. Need that. Flex on him. Beast mode. Pull everything out. Come on. What's that? Tear it. Don't let stuff fall. What we got?
Oh, yay! Yay!
Oh my God.
How much did you pay for these?
It don't matter how much I paid for them. You gonna pay me back?
No! I ain't got that money.
You got plenty of money.
Not true.
And as y'all can see, you got the LeBron 15.
XV.
Look at these. See if I can get y'all a little better detailed look on these. You got the
Wow.
leather pull tabs. You got the all black and like rose colored uppers.
I'm gonna do one of these.
You got like a pink, off-white pink outsole. How you feel about them?
I love them.
As you can see, he's in his all Cavs gear. It wasn't a plan, but LeBron is his favorite player and he is the GOAT.
I didn't even know I had all Cavs stuff on, and I just got LeBron's. So I got a Cavs jersey with LeBron's number, got LeBron's, and got the hat on. I got everything. Now I got two. Chance, you want to smell? Now I got two pairs of LeBron's. My soldiers and these.
So now, yep, he has the camo soldiers, which y'all seen in a few of the videos, and now he has the 15s.
No, I didn't unbox those. I got those for Christmas.
No, but you've been in videos in the soldiers.
Oh, yeah.
Basketball, going to the mall.
Yeah.
So, anyway, this wasn't going to be a long video. I just want to get his reaction. These came way faster than I expected them to come.
At least I get to wear them faster than I was expecting to.
And I'm glad he likes them. Subscribe to the channel.
Subscribe. Do it.
OVE!
Put that dad side on.